Are you tired of the hassle of changing and maintaining tires? Don't hesitate any longer. In this video, we will introduce you to 15 popular tire tools on Amazon that are essential items you can't miss. 2 flat tires, even the spare tire can't save you. What you need right now is a truly all-in-one tire repair kit. The Orsish 70-in-1 tire repair kit is designed for emergencies. With 70 complete accessories, patches, lubricants, insertion tools, pliers, knives, and more, we've got everything you can think of. Crafted from high-quality steel and zinc alloy, it's durable and rust-resistant. The tire strips are made from natural rubber and butyl rubber, ensuring flexibility, strong sealing, and resistance to aging. All tools are neatly stored in a compact carry case, taking up minimal space and easily fitting into your trunk, always ready for action. Suitable for all types of tubeless tires, trucks, cars, electric vehicles, lawn mowers. It's got you covered whether you're commuting in the city or off-roading in the wilderness. Orsish, the roadside emergency kit that truly understands your needs. In critical moments, you no longer have to wait for rescue. You can handle it yourself. Tire blowout, still struggling to manually crank the tire changer? This 5-ton dual-motor electric jack lets you lift your vehicle with a single button press and get the job done quickly. It can lift to 17.7 inches in under a minute, with a 5-ton load capacity, featuring anti-slip cross grooves for stable support of various vehicle types. Built-in air pump for on-the-go tire inflation with real-time tire pressure display, no more worrying about tire pressure issues. Pair with a 350 Nm high-torque impact wrench for effortless nut removal, with 360 degrees rotation for flexible operation. Self-locking design plus automatic height limit protection for added safety. With this set in hand, handling roadside emergencies is a breeze. Flat tire, whether you are on the go or at home, this one device has you covered. The Astro-A dual power tire inflator features a 12V car adapter and a 120V household plug, making it usable anytime, anywhere. High pressure mode supports up to 150 psi, inflating from 0 to 36 psi in just 6 minutes, easily handling car, bicycle, motorcycle tires, and other small equipment. The high-capacity mode delivers 350 L/m in ute, quickly inflating air mattresses, swim rings, and camping gear. Dual metal motors plus metal cylinders allow continuous operation for 15 minutes without strain. Equipped with the Omnivent cooling system, it cools down quickly, extending the machine's lifespan. Operation is simpler. LED lighting plus large screen display, real-time pressure reading, one-touch automatic stop power, off-memory function for added convenience, and 4-unit conversions to choose from. Power cord and air hose have dedicated storage slots for a tidy entangle. Free travel experience includes multiple nozzles and adapters for universal use in homes and vehicles, covering all scenarios. The Astro-A air pump is your best companion for car travel, home use, and camping. Camping, home use, or temporary extra bed, this inflatable mattress does it all. Measuring 78 by 54 by 24 inches, it can support up to 450 pounds, offering spacious comfort for 2 people. Ergonomic honeycomb structure design fits the contours of the body, providing comfortable support. Supports 5 usage modes, seamlessly switching between sofa, mattress, or outdoor resting pad. Simply inflate quickly, and in minutes, you can set up a comfortable sleeping space, ideal for guests at home, outdoor camping, long-distance travel, and more. Still struggling with removing small tires? Try the Bestool manual tire bead breaker. Specifically designed for small tires, lightweight, and portable, easy to use. Ideal for ATVs, lawn mowers, and agricultural tires ranging from 38 to 42 inches in diameter, compatible with aluminum alloy rims, allowing you to easily remove the tire bead without disassembling the tire. Features an integrated cast structure for durability and pressure resistance, making it more suitable for heavy-duty applications than traditional welded designs. Operated using a manual wrench or pneumatic wrench, tools sold separately, it utilizes leverage to quickly loosen the bead, saving effort and time. Compact in size, it is easy to carry and store. Got a flat tire? Don't panic, Fix a Flat is here to help. Simply shake it, attach the nozzle, and spray to patch and inflate your tire. Temporary repairs are done in seconds, so you can get back on the road right away. This 16-ounce tire repair spray can quickly seal holes up to a 1/4 inch in diameter and inflate the tire to a pressure sufficient to support the vehicle. No tools, jack, or spare tire needed. It's the perfect emergency travel companion. The formula is environmentally friendly and safe, causing no damage to the tire or tire pressure monitoring system, TPMs, aligning with modern eco-driving principles. The upgraded cap design offers a more convenient and reassuring user experience. After repairing the tire, you can drive for up to 3 days or 100 miles, giving you enough time to reach a professional repair shop and resolve the emergency. Does your car know when T hears a problem with the tires? Now it can. This Timate TM7 TPM's tire pressure monitoring system provides real-time, precise monitoring of the pressure and temperature of each tire, with a 6-level warning mechanism that ensures every anomaly is detected. Simply plug it into the cigarette lighter, and in seconds you can activate guard mode to protect your journey. No wiring or tools are required, making it especially suitable for upgrading older vehicles. Dual USB output ports allow you to charge your phone and tablet while driving, offering practicality without taking up space. Equipped with a color backlit LCD screen, it remains clear and readable day or night, unaffected by strong light or darkness. It supports tire pressure monitoring from 0 to 87 psi, compatible with sedans, SUVs, RVs, and trailers. The signal transmission is stable, and it can easily handle trailers over 36 feet. Simply pair it with the Timate repeater to enter professional RV mode. Are your tires looking dull and lackluster, dragging down the overall appearance of your vehicle? Armor All Extreme High Gloss Tire Gel delivers an unprecedented wet black shine to your tires. This advanced formula is specifically designed to restore color and enhance shine, providing long-lasting results with just one application. No need for frequent touch. Simply apply it to completely cover the tires, restoring their original deep black color and making your car look like new. The gel has a thick, creamy texture that applies smoothly and evenly, eliminating the mess and waste caused by sprays. Not only does it give your tires a deep, glossy black finish, but it also provides protection, resisting harmful elements to prevent cracking and fading, keeping your tires looking brand new. Whether for daily commuting or weekend road trips, this 18-ounce large-capacity tire gel is an indispensable tire care essential in your garage. Armor All make your tires stand out and shine. Have you noticed that even the shiniest car body can't compete with a dirty wheel rim? Now, with a bottle of Armor All heavy-duty wheel and tire cleaner, your wheels will instantly return to their glory days. Just spray it on. This cleaning spray magically changes color. It starts out blue and turns white when the cleaning is complete, letting you know it's time to rinse. It effectively removes brake dust, grime, and road debris, even breaking down stubborn deposits with ease. Spray it on the tire and wheel surfaces, wait for the color change, then gently wipe with a sponge or brush, and finally rinse with water. Tires shine like new, and wheels regain their metallic luster. Armor All is specially designed for dirt. Rinse with clean water, does not damage the surface, leaves no residue, and easily restores the original luster. 22 ounces per bottle, large capacity for multiple uses, professional grade formula suitable for most wheel rim materials, fast, safe, and efficient, saving you time and effort. Don't let grime steal the spotlight with one bottle in hand. Tires shine and wheels perform at their best. Armor All, making your car shine from front to wheel. Are you still using old rags to clean your wheels? It's time to upgrade your cleaning gear. This professional wheel cleaning kit includes 2 ultra-soft synthetic wool brushes, a detail brush, a hard tire brush, a tire trimming pad, wheel cleaning gloves, and a microfiber towel. Not just clean, but streak-free. Metal-free design plus ultra-soft synthetic bristles ensure your wheels shine like new without any risk of scratches. The synthetic wool brushes can bend 360 degrees, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas. Paired with a thick foam handle, it provides a secure grip that won't slip. Easily remove brake dust, road grime, and tire mud. This complete set has you covered, making thorough cleaning simple. This 1.5-ton hydraulic floor jack is specifically designed for passenger cars, compact yet powerful. It handles routine maintenance with ease. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, it is durable and long-lasting. A safety bypass system prevents overloading, ensuring reliable and worry. Dual large casters plus 360-degree swivel casters for easy positioning without getting stuck. Includes a portable storage case, making it easy to store in garages or trunks. The perfect companion for any car owner's toolkit. If you've never been trapped, you've probably never seen some of the most beautiful and unique landscapes in the United States. However, in order to reach to these places requires our spirit of exploration. You may encounter all kinds of challenges along the way. For example, your vehicle is likely to get stuck in mud, sand, snow, even sand near the sea. It's frustrating, especially if here is no one around to help. But it's a part of life, and there are always some difficulties that we have to overcome ourselves. We are going to show you some tips in this video to help you in your car to get out of trouble and back on the road. Only using ours X-Bull traction board. Don't keep your foot on the gas pedal. when your vehicle is stuck. It will only make the situation worse. When you are in soft sand or mud, use a shovel to get underneath the tires. Dig a track in front of all tires to make a rollout path. The goal is to reduce resistance so you can keep your momentum. Don't worry if you haven't a shovel nearby, or traction board can do the same job. It's very convenient. Place the traction board in the desired direction, off the vehicle, tightly against the bottom of the tire. Lower tire pressure can greatly improve the success rate of escape. X-Bull recommends carrying an air compressor. It's essential when off-road or in remote areas. Get in the car, start the engine. The show is about to begin, but we don't recommend letting the audience get too close. Don't start the vehicle violently, as this will burn the cleats off the tracks. Maintain a steady throttle until you feel the vehicle rise up. Then increase the throttle until you are free and able to gain traction. Carrying straps can help you recover the board quickly, whether it's sinking into the mud or the water. Looking for a quick and safe way to adjust tire pressure? This complete tire deflation kit is the perfect solution. Includes a pressure gauge, 4 tire deflators, and valve caps. In off-road environments such as sand, mud, or snow, lowering tire pressure increases the tire's contact area with the ground, enhancing traction and improving off-road performance. Suitable for off-road vehicles, motorcycles, SUVs, and more. Simply screw it on to automatically deflate to the set size. No manual monitoring required, no batteries needed, and it works in any weather, precise and hassle-free. If you care about driving safety, you must not overlook the condition of your tires. This digital tire tread depth gauge can accurately measure tread depth, helping you determine whether your tires need to be replaced. It supports both inch and millimeter units, with a measurement range from 0 to 25.4 millimeters. Equipped with a large LCD screen and color-coded indicator bars, you can instantly see if the tread depth meets standards: red for warning, yellow for reminder, and green for safety. It is not only suitable for passenger cars, but also for trucks, motorcycles, pickup trucks, and various other types of tires. The built-in battery automatically saves power, shutting off automatically after 5 minutes of inactivity. This is a must-have tool for every vehicle owner. Still worried about tire slippage in snowy weather? Aerosol snow socks are lightweight and flexible, making them the ideal replacement for traditional snow chains. Just 3 steps, and installation is complete in minutes. No frozen hands or strenuous effort required. Lightweight and flexible, they fit snugly around tires to enhance traction in snowy conditions, providing effective anti-slip protection for added safety. Reusable and space-saving, they make traveling more convenient. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We look forward to your comments in the comments section. See you in the next video, where we'll continue to unlock more great car products.